Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Regions Bank with Splitwise. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and fund their Splitwise transactions with Regions Bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Splitwise, then click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click on Add a Funding Source, then click on Bank Account. Now, on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on Continue, then click on Continue again, then scroll down and click on Regions. Now, on this page here, it's going to prompt you to log into your Regions Bank, so that you can select which account you want to go ahead and connect to Splitwise with. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.